How do you do, ladies and gentlemen? I'm your host, Seth Julian. Welcome you to today's session. We are looking at the dollar yuan, and it's a volatile picture. This chart's data set starts out at the beginning of the pandemic. This is the huge strengthening in the dollar yuan. I'll tell you exactly how much. From its peak, just about the time of the outbreak till its reversal, it gained 11.5%. Until the beginning of March of this year. Now, we see this terrific reversal now from March until today. The low point in March until the high point was about 17%, but today it's about 12.6. Now, the reason the yuan is weakened is for two principal causes. The first and foremost is that the U.S. dollar is very, very strong. We know that, and it's affected many emerging market currencies, not the least of which is the yuan. However, I want to point out the fact that there is extreme volatility here at this end. These ranges are measuring, the current Keltner channel is showing 4% volatility in one day. And you can see on this one-day chart, I'll drill down a little bit, show you a 4-hour. It's been a little wild now. Very wild, and it's likely to continue wild, and we think that this is going to reverse and go up, continuing the secular trend in yen weakness, and there's a very simple reason why. The society in China is starting to chafe at the Chinese Communist Party's restrictions imposed as a result of COVID. I want to show you some recent data that appeared today, yesterday actually, from the National Bureau of Statistics in China. Yes, all Chinese statistics need to be taken with a grain of salt, to be sure. But when they admit to having these low PMI numbers, and this is manufacturing in the black, new factory orders, new export orders, and services, which is particularly steep, you see anything below 50% on a PMI read is negative. And when the Chinese are reporting negative, you can be sure it's more negative than it is. And this poses a very dangerous situation for China, the Chinese leadership. When economics are poor and the population is upset, that spells one thing and one thing only in China, and that's chaos. And that's the only thing the Chinese Communist Party fears. They don't fear the U.S. Navy, they don't fear the Taiwanese, they don't fear anybody or anything other than their own people and the chaos that can be wrought if those people get upset. So they're a long way from running out of police and tear gas and jail cells, but they're starting to get worried. And we think as a result of that, this is going to reverse and move up. So that's our take today on the Chinese yuan, the offshore renminbi. I'm your host, Seth Julian, wishing you all, ladies and gentlemen, the ability to trade with confidence. Bye-bye for now.